Morning. So I know it is today that we're going the water park. Yeah, it is like 9:37, I think. No, like 9:40. And I already changed some stuff. Just need the light roller. But just gonna put some perfume on. I'm already. I put sunscreen already. I have my baby hair under. I'm just gonna record on my mom's phone and then send it to my iPad, like AirDrop or something, or send it on text messages. So I've done that before. So that yeah. But it's not gonna be a long video, guys, because I'm gonna probably be busy the whole time, not recording the whole time, but I'll take you guys to the little water park sections and stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, we're on our way. Me too. So yeah, this is another video. Bye. Hey guys, so we're going on this orange slide. You see it? On Tornado, that one. What time is it? It's on the wave pool first because it's the big ride. Bye. I'll see you guys later. So this was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, but sorry for the long time to post it, and then I didn't even post all of it because I was recording on my mom's phone, so I had to send it to my iPad because I did it on my iPad, so it was hard. But yeah guys, so hope you guys liked that video. Also, sorry I do this too much. After we went to McDonald's and then we went to this taco place and then we went home. And then like, what did we do after that? I think we all just went home, showered, went to bed. Yeah, but bye.